Good afternoon, this is Kyle and Wade with Western Material Handling. Today we're here test driving stock number D20971. It's a very nice low-hour Nissan, model number CRGH02F30PV. It's a 6,000-pound cushion tire forklift. It's equipped with the desirable 187-inch triple-stage mast. Wade's going to run it up for us real quick. This unit does have side shift, 42-inch pallet forks, has a great running Z-24 Nissan 4-cylinder LP gas engine, automatic transmission, has excellent smooth cushion style tires, recent repairs, new tune-up, new PM service, plus a new muffler and a brand new paint job. Ready for work. You can check out this forklift online at betterforklift.com or stop by either store in Denver or Fort Collins. Thank you much.